I wish I had known this. Those words echo from clients who have made costly mistakes after an accident. Like Sarah, who lost thousands in compensation due to a single misstep. In this video, I'll give you knowledge that insurance companies would prefer to keep hidden. You'll learn crucial post-accident steps to protect your claim and financial future. Stay tuned for expert advice on navigating the complex world of insurance claims. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to avoid common pitfalls and secure the compensation you deserve. Don't let simple oversights jeopardize your claim. Arm yourself with the right information today.
Red Rock Injury Law, Las Vegas. Rock! Solid recovery. Solid recovery. Rock! Red Rock!
Picture this. You've just been in a car accident. Your heart's racing, adrenaline's pumping, and your mind's a whirlwind of thoughts. In this chaos, there's one crucial thing that you absolutely must not do. Leave the scene. Seems obvious, right? But in the heat of the moment, it's a mistake that's more common than you might think. The aftermath of a collision is a blur of metal, glass, and confusion. Your first instinct might be to leave the scene, especially if it was just a minor fender bender. But that split-second decision could have serious consequences. Those first moments after an accident are critical for both your safety and your potential insurance claim. Your immediate priority should be checking for injuries, yours and anyone else involved. Once you've confirmed everyone's okay, or called for medical help if needed, focus on documenting the scene. Grab your cell phone, open up the camera app, and start recording video. Video captures way more information than pictures. It captures audio, it captures all of the in-between moments that you might miss if you were only taking photos. Make sure that it's safe to get out of the vehicle, then get out of the car and record some video of the initial position of the vehicles after the crash. Your smartphone becomes your personal legal diary in these moments. Start by getting video of the damage to all the vehicles involved. Get clear shots of dents, scratches, and any debris on the road. Capture license plates for insurance purposes. Get the contact information and insurance information for the other people involved, if possible. Now that you have some video of the initial position of the vehicles, you can move your vehicle to a safer location, like the side of the road. Don't forget to turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, document the broader scene. Where exactly did the accident occur? Are there skid marks? What's the surrounding environment like? These details seem minor now, but could prove crucial later. Take video from multiple angles for a comprehensive view. Insurance companies rely heavily on visual evidence to assess faults and determine payouts. Without this documentation, it becomes a game of he said, she said, potentially putting you at a disadvantage. Remember, all this evidence gathering should happen while waiting for the law enforcement officers to arrive. Even after moving your vehicle to safety, it's crucial to stay until the police show up. They'll need to document the incident officially, and your cooperation is key. By prioritizing safety, staying on the scene, and thoroughly documenting the accident, you'll protect both your physical well-being and your legal interests in the aftermath of a collision. In the aftermath of a car accident, every word you utter carries significant weight. The information exchanged in those critical moments can profoundly impact your claim's outcome, potentially costing you thousands. So before you start explaining everything, remember these critical facts. In Nevada, there's specific information you're legally required to share with the other driver: your name, address, and the registration number of the vehicle that you're driving. Provide these details accurately and completely, as they're essential for processing claims and ensuring accountability. However, you're not obligated to discuss the accident itself or admit fault. Even a seemingly innocent statement like, "I'm sorry," could be interpreted as an admission of guilt, potentially leading to a reduced settlement or denied claim. Imagine the following scenario. The other driver comes up to you and says, "What happened? Didn't you see me coming?" You respond, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to." This exchange could be detrimental to your claim. Instead, focus on gathering information rather than providing explanations. Collect contact information from any witnesses at the scene. Their testimony could prove invaluable if there's a dispute over what happened. Remember, witnesses aren't obligated to stay, so obtain their details promptly. Also, if you don't have one already, get a dash cam. Nothing is better at documenting the actual accident than a dash cam. It can protect you in situations where someone runs a red light, comes into your lane, or backs into you. A dash cam can be invaluable. Contacting law enforcement to file a report is also crucial. Police reports provide an unbiased account of the incident, which can significantly influence your insurance claim's outcome. According to Allstate, having a police report substantially supports your claim. In fact, claims with police reports are more likely to be resolved favorably for the claimant. This is because the report offers an official third-party perspective on the accident, which carries considerable weight in the claims process. Be prepared for some resistance once you've filed your claim. Insurance adjusters often employ tactics to minimize payouts, such as downplaying injury severity or suggesting partial fault. Understanding these strategies is crucial to protecting your interests during the claims process. To navigate this minefield of potential pitfalls, be prepared and informed. Know what information you're required to share, but be cautious about volunteering additional details. Gather as much evidence as possible, including witness statements and the police report. Remember, everything you say could potentially be used to reduce your recovery, so choose your words carefully in those crucial moments following an accident. You've taken the crucial first steps after your accident, but telling a medical professional that you feel fine can actually hurt your case. In the immediate aftermath of a car accident, your body releases adrenaline, which can mask pain and injuries. This natural response often leads people to believe they've escaped unscathed, creating a false sense of security that can be deceptive and potentially dangerous. Many car accident injuries, especially those affecting soft tissue like whiplash, don't manifest immediately. These delayed onset injuries can take hours or even days to show symptoms. By then, you may have already told your insurance company that you're not injured, inadvertently weakening your claim. Seeking prompt medical attention is critical, even if you're feeling perfectly fine. A thorough medical evaluation ensures your health and well-being while creating a crucial paper trail for your insurance claim. When you visit a healthcare provider, they conduct a comprehensive examination, looking for signs of injuries that may not be immediately apparent. They document their findings, creating an official record of your condition post-crash. To build a strong case, maintain detailed records of all treatment and consultations following the accident. Document every doctor's visit, physical therapy session, chiropractic visit, and prescribed medication. This information provides a clear picture of the extent of your injuries and their impact on your life. Keeping a post-accident journal can significantly strengthen your claim. Record daily pain levels, how injuries affect your work or everyday activities, and any emotional distress. This personal account offers a compelling narrative that complements the clinical documents from your healthcare providers. Insurance companies scrutinize your medical treatment timeline closely. Any delay in seeking care can be interpreted as a sign that your injuries weren't severe. By seeking immediate medical attention and maintaining consistent care, you demonstrate the seriousness of your condition and commitment to recovery. Don't forget the power of visual evidence. Photograph any visible injuries immediately after the accident and document their progression. These images can provide compelling support for your claim, illustrating the physical toll of the accident in a way that written reports alone cannot convey. Being prepared can make all the difference when navigating the aftermath of a car accident. Having a post-accident checklist and necessary documents ready streamlines the claims process and helps recover damages efficiently. Create an accident response plan now to set yourself up for success. Gather important information, create a checklist, and familiarize yourself with the steps we've discussed. Store these materials in your vehicle for easy access. Think of your accident plan as your safety net on the road. I've made a list for you. Just go to redrock.link/checklist to download. The link is in the description below. Remember, you now have the tools to protect your rights and interests after an accident. Stay calm, follow the plan, and face the road with confidence and readiness. You're equipped to handle whatever comes your way.